Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So as expected, FOMC brought some craziness to the market. There was heavy volatility during the FOMC event. Fed has decided to increase the interest rate by 75 basis points. So that was a big news, and as a result, we saw a big jump on the chart of DXY, US dollar currency index. Right now, DXY is standing at 111.58. It broke the previous high, and DXY looks unstoppable again. As we all know that there is no proper resistance on the chart of DXY. Okay, if you look at the chart here, this is the weekly chart. Okay, you can see that there is no resistance, and the only resistance is available around 120, which is far away. I don't know what will happen to the market if DXY reaches 120. Okay, but as of now, there is no resistance on the chart. Keep in mind, in case we see some red candles also by today, those will be just for correction, temporary correction. For a proper trend reversal, we need a big event, and right now market does not have any. So my dear friends, trade accordingly. DXY is bullish, so in case if market DXY comes down also, those will be for temporary correction only. Now let's look at the chart of GBP USD. Okay, so just like other USD pairs, GBP USD also saw heavy sell yesterday. If I take you to the weekly chart, then we can see that GBP USD broke the crucial support and right now trading far below. Okay, so as a result, GBP USD does not have any support. Okay, just the opposite of DXY. DXY does not have any resistance, and GBP USD, Euro USD does not have any support. Just look at the chart of GBP USD. In the month of May last year, GBP USD was standing at 1.4200 level. Okay, and right now it's standing at 1.1244. It's been a free fall. It's been a free fall since last year. And here is our beloved 4 hours chart. Okay, you can see that this is the present condition of the market, and in this type of market situation or in this type of market condition, sell on rise. Okay, sell on rise is the best and the safe trading strategy. It means that whenever market will be going up and reversing from the resistance, just take a sell position instead of a breakout. Okay, it's better to take a sell position at the rise. Okay, so this is the market's best strategy right now. In case of Euro USD also, you need to, or you should follow the same strategy, sell on rise. That's it. Okay, and right now market or GBP USD is standing at 1.1240. this is the current market price. Okay, so if market breaks this level today, during the day, during the US session, if you see that the sell fresh sell is coming again, okay, fresh sell is coming again, sellers are dominating the market, then you may see further sell on the market. And if market goes below 1.1220, you can take a sell position. Okay, so in case of heavy fall in the market, heavy selling again, if market breaks this level, okay, you can take a sell position 1.1220. but keep in mind, sell on rise is the best trading strategy. So your stop loss may be big, so it's better, okay, it's better to take a small lot size. Do not go for a heavy lot size also, okay, because you need to protect your capital first. You need to think about your capital first. Okay, so if market breaks this level with big red candle, go for a sell. This is your first trading strategy. And secondly, if market tries to recover, taking a buy position is heavy risk. Okay, it's your call. I will not comment on that. But this particular level here, 1.1340, 1.1350, 1.1340, 1.1350 can be another level from where you can expect the market to reverse. Why? You can see that first of all we have got Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level, and secondly at the same place we also have previous support of the market. So previous support acting as resistance, and we have got Fibonacci 23.6. So if we combine both the factors here, there's a high chance, high possibility that if market goes up also, market will face some selling pressure around this level. If you see that market is struggling, market is forming shooting star pattern, bearish engulfing pattern, any good price rejection from above will give you the confirmation that yes, you can go for a sell. So taking a sell position at the resistance is the best trading strategy on the chart of GBPUSD and Euro USD right now. Okay, and if again I'm saying if market breaks also this particular level here, you can go for a sell, but please follow strict risk management, because taking a sell at the breakout can be risky. And most importantly, yesterday market saw heavy volatility, and usually after a volatile event, okay, the next day usually remains flat. The next day usually does not show much volatility. So as a result, you must be careful. So there's a high possibility that market will not be giving us big moves today. Okay, so that's my opinion. That's my analysis. I can be wrong as well. Please follow your proper risk management. And as I always say, be a trader, not a gambler. Protect your hard-earned money. Bye-bye. Take care.